Next we'll go for this eraser tool. So that is the use of this history and art history tool. Next, eraser tool. So the eraser tool is nothing but, so I just remove this one here. So I take this image there. So this is the eraser tool. So if you want to remove this unwanted background, you can use this eraser tool. You can remove this background there. To increase the brush size, we use this right square bracket. To decrease the brush size, we use the left square bracket. So I make a copy there, and I'll just hide this one here. Look at this one. If you want to remove this background, so we can use this eraser tool. Use eraser tool. The eraser tool, we have this background eraser tool and magic eraser tool. So eraser tool is in the Photoshop presently. So it can also use it for the painting purpose for this previous history. And also background eraser tool. Background eraser tool is erases the area of similar image of, and also we can use this background. We can also paint using this background eraser tool also. So next we have this magic eraser tool. So magic eraser tool is nothing but one touch to change entire background. So we can use this magic eraser tool. See, if we select this magic eraser tool, look at this one. So one touch to remove entire background. So while using this magic eraser tool, look at this one. So we can always lower this tolerance effect. You can always lower the tolerance effect like this, and give. So using this magic eraser tool, so select this magic eraser tool, select the tolerance here. So if you always decrease the tolerance, why? Because if you increase the tolerance means what will happen means it will also delete this over object also. So don't want to delete this object here, just remove the background for an object. So magic eraser tool, one touch to change, one touch to remove this entire background. We can use this here like this. So like this we can use this. background eraser tool. So that is the use of this eraser tools. And using this eraser tool, we have here brush, pencil, block. So if we select the block, it will act as a block here. So if you want to increase this one here, just increase the size. Like this. So in order to make images transparent, so you can also use this eraser tool. And if you want to remove the background,